Freshman Day 2021.
I'm excited about all the opportunities Wilbur Cross will give me as a school.
I'm excited for noise in my classroom rather than silent Google Meets.
I'm excited because I'm in high school.
I'm excited this year because it's a new year and we get to see more faces and we get to play way more sports are available now, and I'm excited for that also, for more games.
I'm really excited about coming back to school where I get to engage with real-life students for a change.
I'm excited about being back in school and being able to see my friends again.